a great exercise to learn how to navigate the fretboard in a more horizontal way as opposed to vertical way is what I'm going to show you here. The idea is that you play 2 string mode patterns all over the guitar neck, ascending and descending, and it goes like this. So you start, let's say you have the Ionian pattern here from the C note on the B string. So we play the note C, D, E on the B string and then F, G and A on the E string. And let's use this kind of pattern here. I start on the E string now and we play 1, 3, 2, 3, like this. Okay, so this is, in this particular shape, it's 1, 3, 2, 3. And the same here, 1, 3, 2, 3. And now I will shift this up into the next mode. So we have a Dorian 2-string pattern here. So that would mean we play the notes D, E, F, G, A, and B. And if I play the same pattern 1, 3, 2, 3 again here, it would be 1, 3, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2, 3. And I continue all this now all across the fretboard. And if you want to have the tablature for this exercise, just get in touch with me somehow. I put links in the description if you want to find me on social media channels. You will find me there. And I send it right over to you. But here's how the whole exercise would generally sound like. And it's important to notice that when you play the shape with the wide stretch, it's important to use the finger 1, 2, and 4. Okay? Because short reason is, among many others, is that the power balance is much better when you use those fingers for this stretch here without the ring finger instead of playing 1, 3, 4. So it will probably take some time for you to get used to this, but just work your way through it. If you look some guitar players that started learning in the age of, I think Mattias Kopiainen from Stratovarius is one example who uses this. I also saw Jani Limatainen do this and Elias Viljanen. So they use this type of shapes, and if you've seen them there, then you will know where this comes from. It's part of the 3-note per string system. I highly recommend checking that out and using this to play scales all over. Anyway, now here's how the exercise sounds in its entirety. Of course, you're free to continue this all across the neck. There's some frets left here that you can go to. And then the next part or the next stage would be to also play this descending in the other direction. And also play it on all the other string pairs that you can find here. And then you practice this in different keys. There's no way around this. But if you do this, I'm very sure you will see the fretboard in a much more different light, and you can find your positions much easier and solo easier over the whole neck. This is not everything that it's not the be all end all that will solve all your problems, but it sure as hell was one big piece of revelation for me. And if you want to know more, just get in touch with me and ask me. I will just gladly help you out with unlocking more of the fretboard. So find me on the regular social media channels, Instagram and Facebook. And yeah, I think that's it so far. Good. Until next time, whenever that will be, and enjoy this lesson and enjoy playing guitar. See you soon.